Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of online affiliate marketing? Look no further. With this unique affiliate method, everything you need to kickstart your new business and achieve success. This comprehensive package includes all the tools, knowledge, and support you need to thrive in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. First and foremost, this method is centered around affiliate stacking. This innovative approach allows you to maximize your earning potential by promoting multiple products or services within the same niche. By strategically combining different affiliate programs, you can diversify your income streams and increase your chances of success. In addition, it offers comprehensive training materials designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in the affiliate marketing industry. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced strategies, discover the secrets behind building a strong foundation for your online business. Identifying profitable niches, selecting the right affiliate programs, and implementing effective promotional strategies. With this proven method, you'll be equipped with all the tools and knowledge needed to achieve success in the competitive world of online marketing. So why wait? Join thousands of successful marketers who have already tapped into the power of this revolutionary ecosystem. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your affiliate marketing game to new heights. Take control of your financial future and start your new online affiliate marketing business today using this unique affiliate method. With the comprehensive package, unwavering support, and proven strategies, success is within reach. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your passion into profits. Visit the link in the description box. Start your journey now.